kids. Hello. Good morning to you all. Now, how are you today? How are you today? Me? I am happy. Very good. Okay, guys. Now, today we're going to review, obviously, our Easter vocabulary. But first, let's start with the Counting Easter Bunny song. Yes. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so if you want to stand up, it's better. Okay.
Hello, little bunnies. Are you ready to do some hopping?
Okay, ready to do some hopping?
1 little, 2 little, 3 Easter bunnies. 4 little, 5 little, 6 Easter bunnies. 7 little, 8 little, 9 Easter bunnies. 10 Easter bunnies hopping all around. Hop, 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 stop. Hop, 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 stop. Hop, 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 stop. Hop, hop, stop. 1 little, 2 little, 3 Easter bunnies. 4 little, 5 little, 6 Easter bunnies. 7 little, 8 little, 9 Easter bunnies. 10 Easter bunnies running all around. Run, 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 stop. Run, 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 stop. Run, 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 stop. Run, run, stop. 1 little, 2 little, 3 Easter bunnies. 4 little, 5 little, 6 Easter bunnies. 7 little, 8 little, 9 Easter bunnies. 10 Easter bunnies walking all around. Walk, 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 stop. Walk, 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 stop. Walk, 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 stop. Walk, walk, stop. 1 little, 2 little, 3 Easter bunnies. 4 little, 5 little, 6 Easter bunnies. 7 little, 8 little, 9 Easter bunnies. 10 Easter bunnies skipping all around. Skip, 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 stop. Skip, 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 stop. Skip, 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 stop. Skip, skip, stop.
Very good. Okay. Now, let's review our Easter vocabulary. Yes. Let's review our Easter vocabulary. Okay. Now, here it is. Okay. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
See, the Easter Bunny. Easter Bunny is here. Okay, who is this? This is the Easter Bunny. Easter Bunny, yes. The Easter Bunny. Okay. What are these? What are these? They're Easter eggs. Easter eggs. How many Easter eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 Easter eggs. Good job. Okay. This is yummy. Chocolate. Chocolate is very, very yummy. Okay. And these are chocolate eggs. Chocolate eggs. How many chocolate eggs? 1, 2, and 3 chocolate eggs. Oh, this is for our chocolate eggs. What is this? A basket. Okay. a basket. And this is a rabbit. Rabbit. What color is this rabbit? White and gray. White and gray. Oh, rabbits like this. This is a carrot. 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 See? Rabbit like eating carrots. Yes. What color is a carrot? It's orange. Yes, it's orange. Okay. Next we have, this is a hen. 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 Okay. A red hen. Oh, and this is the baby. It's yellow and white. It's a chick. Chick. It's a chick. Okay, and it's the baby of the hen. The hen's baby. See, here the egg hatch. Hatch means the chick came out of the egg and hatch. See? See the chick? It's a baby chick, okay. Okay, what are these? These are paints. They're paint, see? Black, yellow, purple, white, green, and red. And this is a paintbrush. We use it to paint our eggs. Yes, a paintbrush. See? Paintbrush. And we paint Easter eggs. See? We paint Easter eggs. And it's fully painted and decorated. See how beautiful that is? Okay. Now, we hide all the Easter eggs. Yes. Usually, the Easter bunny hides all the Easter eggs. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. The Easter bunny hides all the eggs for the Easter egg hunt. For the Easter egg hunt. For all the children, see? And they put them inside their baskets. They put them inside their baskets. Okay, what flowers are these? These are the flowers of spring. Yes, tulips. Tulips. They come in different colors. Red, yellow, and red, orange, yellow. Okay, this is a family. Yes, see? Sister, brother, mommy, and daddy. Family. It's a family. And we say, Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Very good. Okay, now let's read a book. Yes, let's read a book. Okay? Okay, guys, the story for today is called White Rabbit's Colors. Discover colors with the little rabbits. See? So today we are discovering colors with the little rabbits. Yes, this book is by Alan Baker. Okay? Alan Baker. Okay. One day, White Rabbit found 3 big tubs of paint. Red, yellow, and blue. See? 3 big tubs of paint. Sunshine yellow, she thought. Lovely. This is a nice color. Yes. Sunshine yellow. A quick dip and... oh no! The rabbit jumped in the bucket. Yellow rabbit. Bright as the sun. Yes, bright as the sun. See? Yellow. Now, what about red? Thought Rabbit. So she went into the red bucket of paint. What's gonna happen? What color is Rabbit going to be? What's this? Orange Rabbit. Look, red and yellow together make orange. See? Red plus yellow equals orange. So he's an orange rabbit. Yes, an orange rabbit. Time for a wash, thought Rabbit. See, he's washing all the paint off. Yes, he doesn't want to be orange. Okay, he wants to be white again. Yes, he wants to be white again. Okay, red on its own this time. Only red. Okay, so he jumps in the bucket. Yes, see? Splash! Splash! And he's inside the red paint bucket. Here we go. Red Rabbit. Sizzling hot red. Yes. I don't know. Do you like Red Rabbit? I like white. How cool blue looks, thought Rabbit. Uh-oh. Rabbit went inside the blue as well. What's this? Purple Rabbit. Look, red and blue together make purple. A very important royal purple rabbit. Red plus blue equals purple. Yes, red and blue, purple. Princess Purple Rabbit in the shower. Blue will do, thought Rabbit. Only blue. No other colors, only blue. Okay? So, what is Rabbit going to do? What is he going to do? He's going to, let's see what he does. He's going to jump into blue. Yes. Blue Rabbit, icy cold blue. Brrr. It's cold, yes. Icy cold blue. Now, Rabbit is blue. How warm yellow looks, thought Rabbit. So he went inside yellow too. What color is he now? What's this? Green Rabbit. Look, blue and yellow together make green. Blue plus yellow equals green. Yes, blue and yellow make green. Oh dear, no more water. Oh no, he can't take a shower. He can't wash himself. No more water. What is Rabbit going to do? All that's left is a little red paint. Uh-oh, he wants to jump in the red. Now, what would happen, thought Rabbit? What's going to happen? Hooray! Brown Rabbit. Lovely, warm, brown, blue, yellow, and red together make brown. And brown's just right for me, yes. See, he loves being brown. So, blue plus yellow plus red equals brown. Yes, it equals brown. And he likes brown. Yes. The end. That was the end of our story. So, the little bunny